Hello, today I'm going to guide you through how to download a complete copy of your Facebook data for backup. We're going to first tap over here on the hamburger, and then we're going to scroll down to settings. We're going to click on settings here. It's going to open up this screen. Here we're going to tap on the upper option, this account center. It's going to bring up this screen where we're going to go to your information and permissions. Tap over there. And here in the first option, as you can see, it says export your information. We're going to tap over there. It's going to open up now like a browser. In this case, it said an error, but basically, if we try again, it's going to let us go through. And it says create and export. We're going to tap over there. And we're going to just select any account and choose the option export to device. Then over here, you're going to be able to customize what data you want to actually export. And then you're going to just tap over here and start your export. I hope this was helpful for you. If it was, please consider leaving me a like, a silly comment, or just subscribing. That really helps me out. Thank you.